Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jade here, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through this multi-part crochet install that I did, which I love the way that it turned out. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, so obviously you want to start any style, protective style that you're doing on freshly washed hair. So I did definitely wash my hair, deep conditioned, and then blow dried it. Did already oil my scalp as well. So yeah, your girl is just feeling, you know, not having those coils, although I love them. So just going into a little bit of the braid pattern. Don't come for me, guys. I cannot see the back of my hair. And I am not like too particular about making sure that, you know, the parts and the braids are like all that crisp because no one's going to see them anyways. But I did, you know, try to actually go in with a like legit braid pattern this time. So just showing you guys that here. Obviously the front you want to be nice and crisp. Once again, please don't come for me. As you can see, that braid, you know, is looking a little loose and thick, but I have really coarse, thick hair. So yeah. So yeah, that's the finished braid pattern, and I did use bobby pins to secure it. Typically when I do my own crochet, I use bobby pins instead of crocheting or sewing it down. That's just my personal preference. And then going in here to oil my scalp. So like I said, you know, especially when you're putting in a protective style or something you're going to keep in your hair for a bit, you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized, your scalp is nice and oiled. Obviously you don't want too much product, but you know, you don't want a dry scalp and you don't want dry hair. So just going in here with this oil, which it smells amazing, and my scalp and hair, it really likes this product. So going in there. Making sure I'm getting it nice and oiled. Especially, like I said, my hair's thick, so I'm definitely going under and everything. Don't want to really miss any spots. So this is the hair that I used, Lulu Truss, and it was Coralie 3C. I had seen a lot of reviews on this hair, so I wanted to give it a try. I did use two types of hair. So this is the other type I used, the corkscrew. So I wanted to, you know, have a little bit more length towards the back. So I went with the 18 inches for that one. So showing you my crochet needle, hook, and then my teaser comb. And went in, this was my moisturizer of choice. Haven't used that product in a while, but I really like it. And then this Evolving Textures O-Gel, which I can say is like the best edge control I have ever used. And then I also did use a little bit of the Magic Fingers Shine Jam. So here I'm going to take you guys, just, you know, for those of you who aren't really too familiar with crochet, just giving a little close-up detail, open and close. So when you know, see me going in with the hair, you know, just showing you guys, you know, obviously when you put it first through, you want to make sure it's closed so it doesn't snag your hair. But then, you know, open it up, put the hair in, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then you are just going in and basically doing like a knot. So I think I did try to do at least like 4 or 5, usually 5, you know, knots through, and then pull it tightly to secure it. And that is it. So yeah, it's like literally as soon as I put the first one in there, it's like, ooh, the inches. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys through, you know, show you a few times that process. So again, I'm going in with that 18-inch. This is the corkscrew. So I wanted something, like I said, I mixed two types of hair. The 3C coily is a very like, obviously it's a coiled kind of a curl, but it's very soft. And I felt like this one, the corkscrew, was more closely related to like what my actual natural hair texture is more so like. So yeah, I wanted to mix to give it more of a natural kind of look for what like my hair actually looks like. Going again, showing that process. And sometimes it will get a little bit, your hook might get snagged or something, but just take your time. Don't pull your hair. Don't rush the process. I had to end up putting down the hook. But yeah, it's really simple. Like I said, it might get snagged on something. Just as long as you don't pull your hair, just be a little bit patient. Especially when, if you're doing it on your own head, obviously you can't really see the back. Just take your time. Again, with any protective style, the point is to protect your natural hair, so you don't want to snag or pull your hair. See me checking out those inches. Little happy dance. One thing about me, when I'm doing my hair or makeup or anything, I'm usually dancing, so. All right, so enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of fast forward and let you guys just watch. So I just wanted to hop back in here and just show you guys a little bit of a close-up of me doing the front. So obviously in the front section, you're gonna, be wanting to, place the hair strategically and not as gapped out, because although you want to be able to see the part, you don't want to be able to see the braids. So again, it's the same process. I did do a little bit of a different technique for the front, trying to hide, the knots, just so it looks a little bit more seamless and natural, obviously, especially towards the front, since people will be able to see that more clearly. And like I said, this is a multi-part crochet, so you can pretty much anywhere that I've parted it. So I have like a deep side part, and then a middle part. So, you know, it really is versatile, which is nice. And I promise it doesn't hurt. I just make faces whenever I'm doing my hair. But it definitely does not hurt. No tension. Guys, that completes today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Did just want to mention that I did tease all of the roots, the parts as well. But again, thanks guys for watching. Until next time, bye.